Hello everybody, welcome to ATC Thursday. This week we're going to be doing a craft coloured background ATC. So we know our cards are 2.5 by 3.5. So 3 times 2.5 is 7.5. So I'm going to cut this card at 7.5. This isn't heavyweight cardstock or anything like that. It's quite light actually. I don't know what the what do you call it? I don't know what the weight is because I don't have the packaging. But it's not that thick at all. Not that I can speak English today, crafters. Okay, so that's my 7.5 by 3.5. Now I'm going to be using Meme stamp set Sitting Tree. So I need my bit of cardstock that I use to stamp on. And I need 3 craft ATC bases. See, crafters, I can't speak today. Right, let's take that out. I'm going to be using the Nuvo Hybrid. And I'm going to be using a white Jelly Roll pen, and this is Acorn Brown. So we're going to be using the tree. As you can see, I've lost one of my feet. I have no idea where it went. Not my personal feet, the feet on the press. Okay, so Acorn Brown. We're going to stamp that on. I'm just going to treat this as one big piece of paper, and then we will cut it to size for an ATC afterwards. Now if you have one of the bigger stamp press like the crafters, I can't think today, like the Misty, then you can do this on there to make sure you get the stamping in its entirety. But I'm not too bothered if I get like spaces like that. It doesn't bother me. I quite like the rustic look, so that I'm happy with that. Okay, so that's that. Do I want to add anything else from the stamp set? Maybe the I think I might add the wheel. I'm going to use the brown again. So this is colour on colour really. Okay. I like that sitting, thinking, grinning. I think I'll put that on here somewhere. Again in the brown. Okay, soon you get back. That's my mum, she's just telling me she's off. Sitting, grinning and thinking. Okay. And with the Jelly Roll pen, what I'm going to do, let me zoom you in a bit. I'm going to use this to create snow. Like snow was, we've had lots of snow. Come on, Jelly Roll. I'll turn it over. I don't know why it's giving me issues. Let me try my Signo Maybe this one will give me some better luck. And then I'm also going to use the white to create snow. So I'm just going to do dots. You don't have to have a Jelly Roll pen, you can just use a Tipp-Ex or a white liquid pen. It gives you the same effect. You don't have the same control, but you do get the same sort of similar effect. So now what I'm going to do is go back to the trimmer, and I'm going to cut it in 2.5 inch slices, or widths I should say. Make sure that that is where it should be. And that gives me 3 ATC bases. So let's glue these down onto my ATC base. And as you can see some of the white coming through from underneath, I'm going to use my ink blending tool and just go using the acorn. I'm just going to go around the edges. But I won't do this side. Or will I? I think I might, crafters. I think I'm going to go around all 4 sides to take that white back. Almost looks like a window now. That was a happy accident. Okay, if you wanted to, you could put some card on the back so they actually joined, so they actually stand up. I've done that in the past, but this is one of my favourite ATC bases to create. Okay, there we go everybody, that's the ATC Thursday for this video, using the stamp set Sitting Tree from May, the ink blending tool from Shell Ratcliffe, and some Nuvo hybrid ink, a white Jelly Roll pen, and some ATC backs. Now you could create this so it's more springy using the other items in the stamp set, but there we go. Thank you very much for joining me, and you'll see me again soon. Take care now. Bye bye.